Welcome to another video. Today's probably gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna scout out a little lot, see if there's no people working there on the weekend, so I can practice wheelies. And yeah, if there's no one there, that's gonna be the new lot. So let's get at it, dude. Let's get it. No cops. All I ever wanted was track Grand National. Buying it so bad, bro. I wish I had money. I don't think there's anyone here. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Oh, there is people here. God damn. Wop. Gotta fuck them up. Oh, so the only... Oh, yeah, but everybody can see me from the goddamn street. Y'all already knew. Oh, yeah, these ain't good at all. Too bumpy for me. Probably selling drugs or some shit. Oh, someone crashed it. Yeah, I'll just go back there. Who gives a shit, bro? Go to the back real quick. Probably more space there anyway. See how deep this hole is. It's deep as fuck. What's that way? Let me check. I'm gonna keep checking. I'm gonna find a better spot. Oh, dude, this is better. But this is still less space, though. Yes. That middle one is the perfect spot, but I think there's people there. I'm getting better. Almost 12 o'clock, boy. Right now I'm like a 9:30, boy. It's next to the fucking main street, so. What gear am I in? I was in second gear, bro. What the fuck? Woo! That scared the fuck out of me. Oh, I gave it like fourth gear gas on second gear. God damn. Dude, that scared me. That second gear. And I kicked my leg out, like my leg was in the back like a bitch. But I didn't go to third. But I'm getting it, bro. I'm gonna go park over there and let it rest for a little bit. That was one of my best ones yet. Like, I'm kind of getting the feel for there's a spot power. It's like a spot where it loses power. I guess that's balance point from what I've heard from, well, not that full balance point, but it's like right there. Because most of the videos I've seen of like balance point, it's like, you know, the engine's gonna sound different, like it's bogging or something, or there's like a different feel to it. And right there where I'm at, almost, it feels like if I don't move my hand, it's not gonna either go back or go forward. Like it feels right. It feels right where it's supposed to be. So I think I'm really close. Third gear, let's see. Kind of went back too fast. Where I dropped it right there, let go of the gas, I obviously let it off too much, and I think I'm on the brake a little, so it dropped it. But right there is when like the engine sounds weird, or the throttle responds weird. Like, I don't know how to explain it, bro, but I guess that's where it's at. You know, I guess that's where it's point. Third gear, let's check it out. See the improvement from just giving it that bullshit, that when you start practicing, to what I'm doing now. Like, I went too far to the side. I ran out of gear. That wasn't even a clutch, that was a launch. Gotta make sure, bro, I'm not making that mistake again. Gotta make sure I'm in third. Kind of went back. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? See, if we can wheelie most of this, I know I'm getting way better. Because, let's see. Wow! I'm so much better than I was, bro. See, like once I try to recover it, I fuck it up. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these types of videos. Just like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of it, man. I'm getting way better, so I'm happy with it, and I enjoy making this video. So even if it's 3 of you watching, hit that like button, all 3 of you, and hell yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you.